Hey guys, it's Megan with Kelly Day Portraits, and today I'm going to show you one side of applying foundation with a beauty blender and then the other side with a brush. So I'm going in with the shade Olive 2 from Lime Life, and this side I will show the brush, and then the other side I'll show with the beauty blender. So with a brush, it's more of a softer, less coverage foundation look. Bring that down to the neck. So with Lime Life's foundation, it's very comes on so easily no matter how you apply it. So that looks about good. It's very not much of full coverage, but it still gives you that nice all one skin tone. Next, with the beauty blender, I just go in and grab the product and kind of rub in small strokes. So with that, you can definitely tell, you can see from my nose, at least I can, that the brush is more it'll blend out, it'll spread out more. And with the beauty blender, how compact it is, you can get it damp so you can really grab the product and it'll blend a little bit more. But if you want it super full coverage, I kept it dry and I just grabbed the product and packing it on. And there's the brush side and the beauty blender side. Thanks so much for watching, and my link will be down in the comments below, and you can go under my name and order some of the foundations or anything that you would like from Len Life.